What's going on, guys? I am going to tell you all about a website in which you can earn frequent flyer miles. Guys, I'm here to talk to you all about a website in which you can earn TrueBlue frequent flyer miles. Anybody who travels, especially by airplane, should be looking into this particular website. This website in particular is known as pointsforsurveys.com. So, like a lot of websites out there, you can do surveys and give your opinion on certain products or services, and you can be rewarded. This particular service is for frequent flyer miles. So JetBlue's frequent flyer program is TrueBlue. And TrueBlue, you can earn points through flights, you can earn points through their credit card, through certain purchases, but also points for surveys. So let's say you're a couple points short of earning that free flight on JetBlue. You can simply go on to this website. You could take some surveys and earn those extra points so that you can pay for your flights. So we usually pay for our kids' flights on our vacations through the combination of our flights, the credit card, and this website I'm going to talk to you guys about. If you fly with JetBlue or would likely fly with JetBlue, you should definitely sign up for their frequent flyer program, the TrueBlue. All right, so let's take a look at this website, pointsforsurveys.com.
If you're not a TrueBlue member, you need to sign up for TrueBlue. It's very easy. Join, plug in your information, and you will be issued a frequent flyer mile, and you can track all of your points on the JetBlue website. If you already are a TrueBlue frequent flyer, you need to get your number in order to sign up for points versus surveys. So once you have your JetBlue frequent flyer all set, you're going to go to pointsversussurveys.com. So what exactly is Points versus Surveys? It's a survey company that is an affiliate with the JetBlue company. So basically you can go on and you can complete surveys for a variety of different companies and you can earn a certain amount of points. The points are dependent upon the value of the survey. So when you actually sign up for Points versus Surveys, you get 400 points just for signing up. So that's a bonus. And the website's pretty self-explanatory. If you want to access your account, you have all of your information. What I like about Points versus Surveys is you can access all of your history, so you can see which surveys you completed and how many points you got. So when you want to take surveys, you simply hit the surveys button and you can see there's a variety of different surveys that I have the option to take. It also gives you an estimated minutes on each survey. Now you take these with a grain of salt. Sometimes it's a little bit more and sometimes it's a little less, but generally these minutes give you the idea of how long it's going to take. These are the amount of points you're going to earn if you complete the survey. Now, you don't always get accepted for the survey. So if you get denied a particular survey, you get 10 points just for trying. So if you keep scrolling down, you can see your profile information. So I only have 42% of my profile up to date, so I'd want to update that so I can get more surveys. So as you can see, there's a variety of different questions. So you want to make sure that you complete your survey profile so that way you can be invited to take more surveys. Otherwise, you might be limited in the amount of surveys that you can get. Also, there are badges and additional incentives. If you complete a certain amount of surveys, you can get extra bonus points. So overall, it's a very simple website. It's really just you complete surveys, you acquire points, and these points go directly into your JetBlue account. So when you sign into your TrueBlue, you can actually see how many points you have acquired, and you can access all of your information right on the website. So when you log into your JetBlue account, you can see how many points you've acquired. You can buy points. So let's say you're a couple points short of a particular flight. You can actually buy some points to fill that rather than spend the full amount on a price. You might only spend a fraction. And another cool feature is you can do family pooling, which means everybody in your family can be linked to one particular account so that you can acquire more points that way. If you are a frequent traveler and you use JetBlue, you might want to look into the JetBlue credit card and see if it's worthwhile, because you can get a lot of points by using the credit card. So you also can see all of your activity and you can see it from individual members. So this is us. So if I want to click on my points that I've contributed. So as you can see here, these are points that were added to my account instantly after I complete surveys. So they go directly into the JetBlue pooling. So literally, if you're going to book a flight in a week, you can start taking surveys and they go right into your account. And that way you can add some points. All right, so when you want to apply your points, you'll see right here you have the different prices. You have to come over here to the payment option and you can click TrueBlue and that will reset it to show the points. So let's just take a gander. This is a cross-country flight nonstop from New York to Long Beach, California. The blue are 248. So let's focus on this, 248. And if I hit the TrueBlue, let's see how many points it is. So that same flight that was $248 is 18,600 points. Plus you have a $5.60 fee for taxes. But so if you've acquired the amount of points, you can simply click that and apply it as you check out, and you'll get that flight for free for no charge. The only thing you'll get charged for is the $5.60 taxes. So it is a good feature, to be able to acquire points. If you are going to participate in the points for surveys and you are a frequent flyer on JetBlue, again, I would maybe look into the credit card, because the credit card can be very beneficial to gain points so that you can apply them to flights. So it is a cool option if you are a traveler and you're looking to earn, some potential free flights for doing some surveys.
All right, guys, I hope you found this video informative. Hit a big thumbs up for us. Make sure you leave a comment if you have any questions on pointsforsurveys.com. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it.